bakit ako mula sa pagkapare hanggang doon sa pumasok ako sa Iglesia ni Cristo. Hanggang ngayon andito tayo ngayon sa loob ng tunay na Iglesia ng Diyos, ang Seventh-day Adventist. I am converted to be a member of this church now, Pastor. Including my wife and my whole family. We are now belong to the true church, the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Kaya convert ako dito sa mga banal na talagang nakapagpaliwanag sa aking kaisipan na ang totoong aral pala ay andito sa loob ng Seventh-day Adventist. Kaya ang aking buong pamilya ngayon ay kasapi ngayon ang totoong Iglesia ni Cristo, ang Seventh-day Adventist, mga kapatid.
Ito po, si Pastor Donato Garcia. Ito po yung story ng ating pong mahal na kapatid na lingkod ng ating Panginoong Diyos na walang iba kundi si Pastor Donato F. Garcia, mga kapatid. So, may nais po kong gustong itanong po.
Ano yun, mga kapatid?
Ayun, yan po, maganda po to. Paano ang katulad po ninyo na kayo po nag-aral ng pagkapare? For how many years? Kayo na po bahalang magkwento mamaya. At sa pag-aaral ninyo, nakuha nyo pa ulit na mag-aral ng pagka-Iglesia ni Cristo. Ayan.
Totoo yan.
Tapos ngayon po, kayo po dinala ng inyong pag-aaral dito po sa pananampalatayang Seventh-day Adventista del Sétimo Día. Paano po nangyari po yun? Pwede nyo po pang ilahad po dito?
Ganito ang aking story of my life, being a servant of the Lord or God. First of all, I want to tell you about the story of my life. When I am a parish priest of the Iglesia Pilipina. This is my story. I met the late Bishop Bagni of the side, another side of the Aglipayan Church, for which he invites me to join the church. And then he tells me if I want to also serve the Lord, and I tell to him, and he said to me, from now on, for the period of 4 years. And after 4 years, I finished my vocation as reverend deacon. Then he gave me the time, 1 year, to prove that I truly belong to serve our Lord. So on that time, I finished 1 year, the period for my testing, for my discernment to serve the Lord, my friends. And after that period, my friends, I received my ordination as a priest, my friends. So I served the Aglipayan Church for the period of 13 years. Mostly, I spent my time at Barangay 5, Kaunayan, Pagod, Ilocos Norte, and the whole province of Ilocos Norte. Afterwards, for the serving of this said church, of the Iglesia ni Cristo, came he want again to convert me for the church. And I try my best, again, inside the Iglesia ni Cristo for 3 years. And after a time, my friends, Brother John Mendoza, Iglesia ni Cristo, went to me, asking me to introduce myself. Then there, I introduced myself as a servant of God with the Aglipayan Church. So, he tried my best if I am qualified to this church. So, they gave me a document.
Yes.
What position asking to the higher brother of our Iglesia ni Cristo. Then, Brother Eddie Manalo. At the social hall of the Iglesia ni Cristo in Lawag City, Brother John Mendoza interviewed me. Then, after 1 hour, he comes like this to me, that I am fully qualified to the church. But, upon waiting for the proper foundation, proper document, I leave the church that I'm not waiting the decision of the higher. And after 1 year, my friends, this is the truth. Pastor Neil Diaz, Pastor Rene Hugo, and Pastor Michael Duruño, they came to me inviting me for the every night evangelization of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Then after 12 nights for the crusade of this church that now I am belong, I am very impressed to join this church because nothing church just me that true and the truthfulness thing in the Holy Bible. And on this time, I read from the book of Exodus at verse 8, saying the day of Saturday, including my wife and my whole family. We are now belong to the true church, the Seventh-day Adventist Church.
Wow.